In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ranking question with Paperform, a tool that can bring your surveys and forms to a whole new level of interactivity and customization. Whether you're gathering feedback on product features or simply trying to organize preferences, ranking questions provide a nuanced way of understanding priorities and preferences from your respondents. We'll start from the Paperform dashboard, your central hub for creating surveys and forms. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on Create Form. This step initiates a fresh canvas for your new survey or questionnaire. Once you're in the form editor, the next move is to click Add Question. Here, you'll see a variety of question types, but today we are focusing on the one called ranking. Selecting this option allows you to create a question where respondents can rank items in order of preference or importance. Once you've chosen the ranking question type, it's time to type your question text. For example, you might write, rank these features from most to least important. This question text will guide your respondents on what exactly you're asking them to rank, so clarity is vital here. Now with your question set, the next step is adding the items to be ranked. These might be features, benefits, or any other set of options you want your respondents to organize. Make sure your list is comprehensive and covers all the options you want considered. After entering the items to be ranked, you have the option to fine-tune the settings. These settings are crucial as they help tailor the ranking question to meet your specific needs. You may want to set a limit on the number of items respondents can rank, ensuring they focus on the most important aspects. Additionally, enabling the shuffle order option makes sure that each respondent encounters options in a different sequence, thus reducing bias. Another option you could consider is making this question required to ensure you collect this valuable ranking information from every participant. Once you have adjusted your settings to your liking, take a moment to preview your question. This will show you exactly how respondents will see it, letting you make any needed tweaks to improve clarity or usability. And that's it. You've successfully created a ranking question using Paperform. This powerful question type adds depth and precision to your data, enabling you to extract more nuanced insights from your respondents. As you continue building your form, remember to think about how each question type can serve your data collection goals. And don't shy away from experimenting with different configurations to find what works best for your audience. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to confidently utilize ranking questions in your next Paperform project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.